change of variable formula for triple integration. Okay, see, when we have a problem in xyz, we are solving a triple integration with respect to xyz, and suppose we have to do some substitution, we have to convert this problem from one domain to different domain. Okay, suppose we are shifting xyz to uv W, I will say, UVW. Then what we have to do, we have to find this Jacobian, okay, and you can convert in this way. That means we are putting something. What we are doing, we are putting x is equal to g1 of UVW, we are putting y is equal to g2 of UVW, and we are putting z is equal to g3 of UVW. So see, we can convert the entire problem in UVW, okay. But in that case, what we have to do, we have to find the Jacobian, then only we can write dx dy dz is equal to Jacobian into du dv dw. Okay, you can make a screenshot of it. After that, we will discuss one example. Let us convert, okay, the problem, that means in Cartesian coordinate system to cylindrical coordinate system. What we do to convert integral from Cartesian to cylindrical coordinate system. What we put, tell me? We put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and z is equal to z. This substitution we do. Then we convert the problem from xyz to r theta z. Okay. So see, if you do these substitutions, obviously we have to find it Jacobian. Then how to find it Jacobian? Jacobian is equal to deba xyz, and we are converting this problem to deba r theta z. Okay. See, I will write here. Then obviously, which determinant we have to solve? Deba x by deba r, deba x by deba theta, deba x by deba z. Okay, after that, deba y by deba r, deba y by deba theta, and deba y by deba z. And at the end, deba z by deba r, deba z by deba theta, and deba z by deba z, which is equal to, see, derivative of x with respect to r derivative with respect to r cos theta is constant. Derivative of r is 1. So that's why 1 into cos theta, cos theta. Derivative of x with respect to theta, r is constant. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So minus r sin theta. Derivative of x with respect to z, z is not there. So derivative is 0. Okay. Derivative of y with respect to r, sin theta is constant. Derivative of r is 1. So here we will have simply sin theta. Derivative of y with respect to theta, see, r is constant. Derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Derivative of y with respect to z, z is not there. Derivative of z with respect to r, r is not there. With respect to theta, theta is not there. Derivative of z with respect to z, 1. So let us solve this determinant. What will we get? Cos theta, you know how to solve determinant. Cos theta into product of these two, r cos theta, minus product of these two, 0. Minus, see, after that we take, there is minus, so minus minus plus r sin theta. Now we take product of sin theta and 1, sin theta, minus derivative, 0 into 0, 0, plus 0 into whatever we have, obviously it is 0. So this is r cos square theta plus r sin square theta. If I take r common, we will have cos square plus sin square, 1. So therefore we will have r only. So Jacobian is r. So therefore, see, therefore, if we want to convert problem f of xyz to dx dy dz to triple integration over g f of x means r cos theta, y means r sin theta, and z means z. After that dx dy dz, but before that I have to write Jacobian, which value is r, okay, r, and dr d theta dz. Okay, you remember when we solve problems now, when we put the problem, when we convert the problem in cylindrical coordinate system, we always write dx dy dz is equal to r dr d theta dz. So because of this we write. Okay, make a screenshot of it. After that we will discuss one more example. See, let us see how to convert a problem from Cartesian to spherical coordinate system. See, when we have a problem in terms of x, y, z, and we have to convert it into rho, phi, and theta, so we use this substitution. Okay, so when we put anything, when we convert, when we shift one problem, okay, problem from one coordinate system to another coordinate system, then first of all we have to find its Jacobian. So let us find Jacobian of this substitution also. See, Jacobian is equal to the originally problem in x, y, z, and we are shifting it to rho, phi, and theta. Okay, so let us find Jacobian. You know the definition of Jacobian now. So this is equal to delta x by delta rho, delta x by delta phi, and delta x by delta theta. Similarly, derivative of y with respect to rho, phi, and theta, and derivative of z with respect to rho, phi, and theta. Okay, so please help me to find the value of this determinant. Derivative of x with respect to rho, see these two are constant, derivative of rho is 1, so that's why sin phi cos theta. Derivative of x with respect to phi, these two are constant, derivative of sin phi is cos phi. Okay, and last, derivative of x with respect to theta, these two are constant, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Sin theta, okay. Next, derivative of y with respect to rho, I am simply writing now, sin theta. Derivative of y with respect to phi, these two are constant, derivative of sin phi is cos phi. Rho cos phi sin theta, okay. And derivative of y with respect to theta, these two are constant, derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Rho sin phi cos theta. Next, derivative of z with respect to rho, this is constant, derivative of rho is 1, so this is cos phi. Derivative of z with respect to phi, rho is constant, derivative of sin phi, cos phi is minus sin phi. And derivative of z with respect to theta, theta is not there, so its constant, derivative is 0. So now our task is to calculate the value of this determinant. So let us do that. Sin phi cos theta. See what we have to do, product of these two minus product of these two. So 0 into anything we will have 0 minus product of these two, there is already minus sign, so minus minus plus rho square sin square phi cos theta minus, okay, the middle term I will take now, rho cos phi cos theta, okay. Product of these two, 0 into anything 0 minus product of these two, that means rho sin phi cos phi cos theta, okay. See this that function minus rho sin phi sin theta, no, sin theta is there, sin theta, product of these two minus rho sin square phi sin theta, correct, minus product of these two minus rho cos square phi sin theta, okay. So there is no more space, so you can make a screenshot of it. After that we will go further. Let us simplify it now. Jacobian is equal to sin phi, okay. See, shall I take product? We can take product, 0 plus anything we will have same, no? So what will I do? I will take product. See, product will be rho square, getting, and sin square phi and sin phi sin cube phi. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. See, here also 0 is there, so we can simply take product. Minus minus plus rho square, getting sin phi, cos phi, we will have cos square phi, okay, and cos square theta also we will get. Here what will happen? Here we can take common something, no, from last term. So minus rho sin phi sin theta. See, we can take minus sign common, so minus minus plus. We can take rho common, so rho into rho square. We can take sin theta common, so we will have sin square theta. What we have done? We have taken minus sign common, we have taken rho common, we have taken sin theta common. So in bracket, what will we have? Sin square phi plus cos square phi, right? You know that sin square phi plus cos square phi is 1. So let me remove it. Its task is over now. Just a minute, huh? Let me remove it and we will go further. Okay, let us continue. So this is equal to, see, tell me what can we take common from first two terms? We can take rho square common. We can take one sin phi common. We can take cos square theta common. See, what will be the remaining then? Sin rho square we have common, sin phi we have taken common. So one sin square phi will be there, cos square theta common, rho square common, sin phi common, cos square theta common. That means simply cos square phi. Plus, let us discuss about third term. Rho square sin phi sin square theta. Its value is 1. Okay. So this is equal to rho square sin phi cos square theta. See, its value is also 1 plus rho square sin phi sin square theta. Tell me what can we take common? We can take rho square common. We can take sin phi common. So in bracket, what will we have? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1. So that means this is required value of Jacobian. So we got the value of Jacobian, so we can easily write the, now then triple integration over E f of x y z dx dy z dz. We are shifting this integral to rho theta phi and theta. So this is f of rho, x is rho sin phi cos theta, okay, y is equal to what? Rho sin phi sin theta, and z is equal to what? Rho cos phi, okay. After that we write Jacobian. What is Jacobian? We have got rho square sin phi, okay, and dx dy dz, that means that Jacobian into d rho d phi and d theta. So in this way we converted the problem from xyz to rho phi and theta. So here you can make a screenshot of it. We will stop here. Okay, bye bye.